loves! Today's video, I'll be reviewing my favorite skincare brand, which is readily available everywhere. No matter where you live, you will easily find this brand. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bioderma Sébium range. This range especially is great for oily acne-prone skin, which is my skin type and which is why I am reviewing this for you. I couldn't think of a better brand than Bioderma because I truly honestly love this brand. As we go through this video, I'm also going to show you guys exactly how you can use these products. Now this range is catered towards oily and acne prone skin. Now these also are recommended by literally 90% of dermatologists. I even remember 4 years ago, the doctor that I used to go to, she recommends me to use the cleanser from the Bioderma. I constantly keep using my micellar water. So the first thing I want to talk about is their Bioderma Micellar Sébium H2O. This one is the 250 ml bottle and it retails for 1300 something rupees. I will mention all the prices in the description box down below. I actually don't remember it. It's available on Nykaa, it's available on Amazon, it's available on a bunch of different websites. So if you are oily acne prone skin, this one is a great formula. You can use this twice a day, 3 times a day, 6 times a day, doesn't matter, and it will literally do only good to your skin. Now this micellar water is a dermatological non-rinse formula. You don't really need to rinse this. It's one of those days that you don't feel like washing your face. You just want to clean your face with this. It's fine, but if you do have insane amount of makeup, I would suggest that you double cleanse your face. It's always a good idea to double cleanse, but this is such an amazing product that you don't need to wash your face if you don't want to. It literally takes off oil, makeup, dirt, any kind of skin impurities, everything off your face. Now the entire Bioderma range has been manufactured in France. Also, this actually has zinc, gluconate, and copper sulphate, which is great for acne-prone skin, and also it's great for keeping oil at bay. It actually limits like your oil secretion skin. Now this actually removes 93% of microparticles on skin. I'm going to show you guys how I use this. You can take a cotton round. I do have a little bit of makeup. I actually didn't feel like doing a lot of makeup, and this is all you do. It smells so good. And how I actually also use this is like if my face is feeling a bit tired and I actually don't want to go wash it, I don't have makeup on or anything. So during the day, you can actually refresh your face using this. It's recommended by dermatologists and celebrities literally worldwide. I don't know anybody who hates Bioderma, to be very honest. If you're in your early teens, regular teens, early 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 100s, doesn't matter. You could absolutely use the Sébium range if you are oily acne-prone skin. My next step is going to be the Sébium Gel Moussant. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. It comes in a tube like this. You just squeeze the product out and put the cap back on, and that's basically it. It comes in like other different sizes. This one is the 100 ml and this retails for 800 something. I can't remember. I'm going to list all the products. Okay, 840. The 100 ml one. They have the bigger like pumping jar as well, or bottle. Now this one is a very soft, gentle cleanser, purifies your skin and actually does not over dry your skin. So it is a soap-free formula that respects the skin's balance and the pH without over drying or drying out your skin. It again contains zinc sulfate and copper sulfate. Now zinc and copper are really good if you have acne prone oily skin. It keeps the oil at bay or in check, so which is why these ingredients are available, are present in most of their acne or oily skincare line. Again, it limits sebum secretion. If you have like acne blemishes and stuff, this really takes care of that. If you are someone, it's a horrible summer months, you're working out every day and you want your skin to be like super smooth and unclogged, so this one really helps. And you can again use it twice a day, morning and night. It's very gentle. This is what it looks like. It's like a very runny gel like skin, like this, in circular motion, so you're getting all the dirt and the grime out. I love to like just like clean my face with this. Alright, now my skin literally feels so nice and clean. Now we're done with 2 of the steps in this 3-step process. You should never skip your moisturizer. So this one is the Sébium Hydra. So this is the beautiful tube that it comes in. Most of the Biodermas actually, like the packaging is pretty similar, very neat. And this one is the 40 ml. which is 1.3 fluid ounces, and this retails for somewhere around 1300 rupees. Again, I'm not sure. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. When you're going to a dermatologist and getting these chemical peels and stuff, you are actually drying out your skin no matter how much you think you're not, but obviously it's taking care of acne and all of that. So this is going to rehydrate your face and give you that moisture that it needs. This is why this one stands out so much. Now this one keeps your skin moisturized for 24 hours, which is amazing. It has glycerin and ceramides, and also it helps in soothing redness. So this is what the consistency of the product looks like. Kind of like in between a moisturizer and a lotion, like a cream and a lotion, if that makes sense. But it's it doesn't feel super like gooey or sticky or anything. So I like to like really go in and like moisturize my face. I don't like to be stingy with my moisturizers, because after I use so many treatments, I kind of just like to use shit ton of moisturizer on my face so everything is nicely hydrated. I use it with my serums, I use it with niacinamide, and it has never given me any kind of issues. So if you like to double layer, triple layer, I don't know, if you like to use multiple products, this is so nice. Like the formulation is so nice that it sits well with pretty much all the products. Don't use it with your retinol actually. Other than that, everything is fine. And so if you are someone like stripping your face off, over washing or doing any of that, like intense chemical peels and stuff, this is really going to hydrate and bring back moisture on your face. So you should definitely give this a try. I kind of sometimes pick my pimples, I'm not gonna lie. So if you do that, then this is gonna calm that down as well, so which is really good. So this actually sits really well under makeup. So if you are someone who has to go to office every day, I don't know, with this pandemic, I don't think anyone is, but if you are someone still who wears makeup and you're thinking that will this sit well under my makeup, it sits absolutely perfectly under your makeup. So you can put your makeup on top and this will actually hold your makeup really well, because it's so nourishing yet not oily. And again, you could use this moisturizer day and night, doesn't matter. You can change up your serums that you're using in your skincare that way. You could use a vitamin C and this cream in the morning and like something else like a niacinamide or something at night, doesn't matter. I don't know your serum routine, but you can definitely use multiple products with this Hydra moisturizer. I really love the consistency of it. I love how moisturizing, how hydrating, and how all, like, it's literally everything good. Basically every age can use this. If you're a preteen, teen, 20s, 30s, 40s, doesn't matter. If you are someone with oily combination acne prone skin, this is a really great line. If you're not oily acne prone skin, then I would suggest you try Bioderma's other products. The best thing about Bioderma is it's so nicely and easily available everywhere. Now the other skincare products that I review most of the times, like few of you would say, could you like not show us this, or could you just like, you know, tell us where we can find it, because it's always been a problem. I review a lot of ordinary products and I know it's like not the easiest to get it to India. This one, if you want a simple clean skincare routine and you actually like to see your results and stuff, and you like to nourish and take care of your skin, Bioderma Sébium range is literally amazing. This range gets a big thumbs up. I absolutely love this, and if you're oily acne prone combination skin, you definitely need to give this a try. Alright, so that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Leave in the comments if you have any questions or anything regarding your skin type or any kind of question. I will sit there and reply. Bye.